Bring in the chief, our chief certified meteorologist, Chris Martinez. Chris, again, at the moment, it's all good, but I know there's a lot of rain in the forecast.
Yeah, it looks like as we track that storm down to the south, Mike, they're about to put out a severe thunderstorm warning for this sail that is now towards the south of Delray and towards Boca Raton. So heads up, you'll see the warning pop up just in any second right now. But a pretty intense thunderstorm coming through as you go from Boynton Beach to Delray. This is all moving in towards Boca Raton. This could have winds as high as 55 to 60 miles per hour. You can see how that warning just coming out as we speak. So it's going to be for that cell from western Delray running down 441 through Meisner Country Club, Sandalfoot Cove, and in towards Broward County. You can see that cell will continue to slowly move through, and it is going to produce some very heavy downpours and those strong gusty winds. So heads up again through that corner of southeastern Palm Beach County. So raining from Lake Worth Beach down to Lantana, Hypoluxo, and then that new warning just coming out for places from Aberdeen back out towards the Turnpike, 441, State Road 7, down and towards western Delray. Again, that's where we could see the gusty winds up to 60 miles per hour. So heads up there, and also seeing some pretty intense thunderstorms starting to develop right now from Jupiter Island back out towards Tequesta. So we'll be watching it very closely. These thunderstorms are getting a later start. Right now, not much across the Treasure Coast, especially through Indian River and Okeechobee County, but notice the outflow boundary will start to eventually initiate some more thunderstorms. So heads up in Delray, you've got a warning just towards your west. Rain chances in my forecast are about 7:30, 8, 9 o'clock, and then we'll start to wrap things up. Everything should be done by midnight tonight. We do have some dry time in the morning, but it's going to be back to those showers and storms again by the afternoon. What's causing it? Well, this weak front. It's not going to be moving. It's called a stationary front, and it creates enough instability that, combined with the daytime heating, showers and storms, again, likely as we go in towards your Saturday late afternoon. In fact, here's 2 p.m. on Saturday. Notice one shower starting to pop up near Boca. Then we get in towards 5:30, 6 o'clock, flare up of showers and storms across Palm Beach County. Then we do it all again on Sunday. We start dry, and then as we head into the afternoon, notice a weak area of low pressure just to our north is going to create that instability and keep those thunderstorm chances high. Even as we head into Labor Day, Monday into Tuesday, I've got about a 70% chance for scattered showers and storms again. So a little bit stormy, but you do have some dry time in the morning, so keep that in mind. One or two of these storms could be stronger as well. With that being said, live wave heights right now, they look good. I mean, boating, really can't beat this. 1 foot right offshore to smooth conditions. That forecast holds true into Saturday, but into the afternoon, obviously, we've got to watch the sky with those showers and storms down to our south. All right, here's a look at South Florida certified most accurate forecast. Rain chance is 60% Saturday, Sunday, impact weather with heavy downpours. And just like we're seeing today, 1 or 2 could be strong to even severe. Labor Day looks a little bit stormy into the afternoon. We'll carry that forecast into Tuesday. Again, a new severe thunderstorm warning just issued for the Boca and Delray area for the next few minutes. We'll keep an eye on that and, of course, keep you updated on anything else that develops. You're watching WPVF 25 News at 6.